Guys, if you're in Door County, this is something really cool. We just came up through Ephraim and took a side road, and this is called Hidden Acres Farm, and it's a co-op farm. People around the local area pitch in and get involved with the farming, and they're actually selling organic produce here, and got to look it up. And people are able to just come here and walk through the land. People bring their dogs and pets to go for hikes and walks. But look at it, it's just gorgeous. Look at the old barns. Christy and our friends right now are inside that gray building getting some produce. And I thought I'd do a video here real quick. So you can check it out when you're up here in Ephraim, part of Door County. Just another beautiful part of the area. All right, talk to you later. Bye.